Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a nutrition plan with MyFitnessPal, complete guide step by step clearly. First, download and install the MyFitnessPal app from your app store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Input your personal details such as age, weight, height, and activity level. MyFitnessPal will recommend a daily caloric goal based on your information. Navigate to the Goals section to adjust your caloric intake if necessary. Select the Nutrition Goals option to set your macronutrient targets. Decide on your ideal protein, fat, and carbohydrate ratios. Next, go to the Diary section to start logging your meals. Tap on the Add Food button to search for specific items. Utilize the barcode scanner for quick entry of packaged foods. Once you find your food, select the appropriate serving size. Add the food to your diary and continue logging for each meal. Keep track of your water intake by tapping the water icon. Review your daily progress in the Nutrition tab. Take note of your calorie and macronutrient breakdown. This will help you understand how well you're meeting your goals. Consider using the Recipes feature to log meals prepared at home. Input the ingredients and serving sizes for accurate nutrition tracking. Stay consistent by logging your meals every day. Use the Progress tab to view changes in your weight over time. Adjust your nutrition plan based on your progress and goals. Finally, make it a habit to revisit your goals regularly. This will ensure that your nutrition plan remains aligned with your fitness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.